Current time is 7:15. We're still seeing mostly clear skies out there. We do have a few areas of patch of cloud cover extending from Johnson County down south to Telfair and off to the west down to Cordele through Dooley and Crisp County as well. But for most of us, we're going to wake up to some sunshine this morning, and underneath that, we're looking at temperatures in the mid-50s, mid to upper 50s, a few 60s on the map around Cordele and Monticello. But overall, we're going to see temperatures right around 60 degrees, and now we're going to start to see those temperatures increase. And by this afternoon, we're looking for daytime highs right around 85 degrees. Warm and sunny winds coming out the southeast, 5 miles per hour. As we head throughout the overnight hours, a little warmer, temperatures in the lower 60s, calm wind once again. That may open the door for a fog once again tomorrow morning. Now, our big concern weather-wise won't be today, it won't be tomorrow. It's going to be into the weekend, and it's going to contain some tropical concerns. Here's a low-pressure system just off the coast of Cancun. Winds at 45 miles per hour. That's tropical storm strength, but we're not seeing a tropical named system just yet. That's because the hurricane hunters went out there yesterday and did not find a closed circulation. I think they're going to try again this morning, and they're going to find one today. And I think later on this evening, we're going to be looking at Tropical Storm Karen, and models are suggesting that this system will head our way. As you see, all the models are going to make a easterly turn at some point throughout the day tomorrow, and we're going to see a landfall sometime Saturday night, and then we'll start to get the effects of rain showers that's going to tag team with a cold front coming in from the west by Sunday night into early Monday morning. So here's how it's all going to time out on your first look ahead. Here's the system right here off the coast of Cancun. That's around 10 o'clock in the morning. Our cold front is going to come in from the west. So if we put this into motion, quiet conditions here for the next 2 to 3 days here across central Georgia. And we see the system working up the coast, trying to make landfall somewhere between Louisiana and Destin, Florida. And here's our cold front coming in, and that's going to bring the rain chance as well. Those two systems are going to kind of merge. It's going to bring some moisture in from the Gulf of Mexico to help in embedding some showers within that cold front. But if you look at this model here, it's trying to push the system further to the west. That's definitely good news for us. We'll see less in the way of rainfall, but that cold front will eventually get here and bring us some rain. But the GFS model is saying more of a landfall somewhere around Destin, Florida. But we got a new update with this one as well. That's going further west as well. And if this is the case, we're going to see less in the way of impacts from the system, even with the wind speed as well. But this is due Saturday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, most likely. But we're seeing a more westerly trend with the models, and that's definitely good news for us. Now, as you take a look at the rainfall totals, the rain is still going to see anywhere from 1 inch to ½ an inch of rain across central Georgia. But as I said, as this continues to push further west, which is definitely a possibility, we will see less amounts of rain. Now, what depends on if this storm gets our way is the pace of that cold front. The faster that cold front moves, the greater chance we'll see the showers in the system here. The slower that cold front moves, the more chance we'll see that heading out to the west. But the biggest concern with this system will be wind for us, not much in the way of rain. We're looking at wind gusts anywhere to 20 to 30 miles an hour across the entire viewing area. And other than that, it's a pretty decent-looking 7-day period. We're looking at Thursday, Friday, sunshine, clouds increase on Saturday. Temperatures above average for the first 3 days. Then we get back to near average on Sunday, and we'll maybe dealing with Tropical Storm Karen at that point in time. But after Karen gets out, the cold front pushes through, and temperatures are back below average, looking for daytime highs in the upper 70s. Fish again forecast calls for one peak left at 1:20 this evening, and its current time is 7:20. More news coming up after the break.